Long term investment requires lots of patience, and it's really a boring journey. So, to make it a little bit interesting, I thought of sharing my journey to 1 crore, how and when I could reach my target of first 1 crore. Long term investment is more than just managing money, it's a powerful act of self belief and vision. It's about starting where you are with what you have and choosing to build a future one step at a time. You will learn to embrace patience, ride out the market's ups and downs, and stay focused on your bigger goals. Every contribution, no matter how small, becomes a building block in the foundation of your financial freedom. It's not a sprint, it's a steady, intentional path that rewards persistence, discipline, and trust in the process. Over time, the effort compounds, just like the returns, and the future you have dreamed of starts to come into focus. This is your journey, and every step forward counts. Believe in the power of gradual growth. Every step forward, no matter how small, it will bring you closer to financial freedom. Good luck.